Hey, let's be in today's topic would be around information in forms of surroundings, in forms of maybe like sensory feelings that we derive from the nature, right? So, like currently, we are a human species, right? However, there are other living species too, considering the plant and the animal kingdom, right? So, on those lines, just considering the example of plants, right? They grow themselves in a manner just not based on the soils at least, or maybe the water that we provide. It also derives information from the outside photons, and neither upon just that, the surroundings in which they are growing, right? So, do they feel the sensations itself directly? Like, if there is a wall behind a plant, it definitely doesn't grow in that particular direction, right? So, neither do they have any particular kind of feelings, or neither do they have any skins to, or neither do they have any other forms of like information gathering input driven system, right? So just the basis of plant we could go by in the form of like maybe even an animal kingdom. They too have their food structure to follow, so that is a natural craving, right? Not considering that lines, there are other ways that they follow as a part of their own growth, right? They doesn't just stuck to their own system. So how do they also derive information apart from the natural input system like eyes and ears and maybe skin sensory informations? So is there any other form of structure also that we derive in terms of a brain element, which is consciousness, which kind of gathers information in its own? So, does we have any brain element and other living elements also have any such element which could sense feelings out of the nature? Let me know.